This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pinder. Deep waterfront with pool and boat dock. Stunning 6,500 square foot, 6-bedroom custom-built brick residence designed by Scott Folck with exceptional craftsmanship and design features throughout. Wonderful floor plan with walls of windows overlooking the water, high ceilings, beautiful custom moldings and hardwood floors. Top-of-the-line chef's kitchen with high-end custom cabinetry, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, amazing and spacious living areas, luxurious master suite plus 3 large bedrooms, all with ensuite bathrooms. Beautiful professionally landscaped fenced yard, covered porch, generator, side-load garage and private cut-de-sac location. For more information, review the